Hello everybody and welcome back to Tech Tutorials, your only stop for amazing daily life tech solutions. In this video, we're going to be learning how you can change your nickname on Discord. So previously Discord released a latest update in which they enabled this feature that you can change your nickname according to you, totally optional and totally customizable, that you can change your nickname or AKA for different servers. So you can see I've joined a couple of servers and I want to change my nickname for each server. So let's say I have this very well vermin server going on and I want to change nickname. So there are two specific ways to do that. One is by simply typing in a prompt and changing in no time, and the second consists going to the settings, to the server settings, and then changing the nickname from there. So let me discuss both. First, what you can do is simply type in the chat /nick and then press tab. You can see your option is selected and press tab again. You can see new nick is enabled, and here you can type any nickname that you want to choose. Let's say Mr. Star, and this will be our new nickname, and simply press enter. You can see your nickname on the server has been changed to Mr. Star, and that's how you can change your nickname using a prompt. Now let me tell you how you can change by going to server settings. So head over to the top left side of your screen and drop down this option, and here you need to head over to your edit server profile, and here you can see under server profiles you have Mr. Star. You can change it to anything, like let's change it back to Infuser, which was already, and press on save changes, and your name will be changed Infuser for this particular server. Similarly, you can just switch between different servers and change your name as well. So that's a pretty simple process. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.